What is going on, everybody? My name is Mike and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to create free thumbnails for your channel. Now, there's a lot of other different ways to build these thumbnails. You can do it on Photoshop, you can do it in Illustrator, you can even pay a graphic designer via, find one on Twitter, you can find one on Fiverr.com, or you might just know a guy that can make you these things. But I'm going to show you guys how to make professional, awesome looking thumbnails that are attractive and maybe correlate to a theme to your channel, as well as 100% completely for free. I'm going to show you guys how to exactly do this, exactly make it look like mine, and do this and make my channel look pretty awesome due to the fact that I have these awesome thumbnails on every single one of my videos. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to go up to your little tab thing up here. We're going to X out of that, and we're going to go and type in canva.com. Now, if you don't want to type that in, go down the description below. Top link up there is going to be canva.com. This is not a sponsored video at all. Canva does not sponsor me for this. I'm just showing you this because I want to give you guys some free information on how to create free thumbnails. So yours won't look exactly like this if this is your first time using Canva, because you can see mine has all this different stuff on it because I built in a lot of stuff with Canva. But right here, you can see this is my thumbnail template. But I'm going to show you guys how you can make one for yourself. So right here in this top bar, what you're going to do, you're going to type in YouTube. Right there, you're going to see it, thumbnail. Click it, and you're going to see this white image that's going to pop up here once it loads. Okay, so it loaded. You're going to see this white image right here, and you can do a lot of different things with this white image. You can pick a template over here to help, fulfill whatever you want to do. So if you say, hey, I like this one, you can click this one, and you can see, bam, it pops up. And you double click this if you want. You can change the image in it. You can customize the text to say, Mike Miller Chaos, whatever, music video by this, or you can take all of it and you can just delete it, okay? And you can just make a custom one if you want to. So click the background. You can click this little icon up here to change the color of the background. So I'm going to go with the black. We're going to delete that as well. And then we're going to go to upload, which in the upload section, you're allowed to put a bunch of different images if you want to. All you got to do is click this little upload button and you upload an image. So for me, I'm going to upload this little image that I have, which I use for every single one of my, there we go. I use this image here for every single one of my posts. Basically, it's a little tiny border with the inside color being a bluish color, so now I can do whatever I want to the outside. So say I want to add text. All I got to do is go to the text section, click a headline, then I can type in Mike. I'm actually just going to make it now. How to make free YouTube. Wow, can't type today. YouTube thumbnails. And then we're going to make this big enough. We're going to copy all that. We're going to turn the color to white. We're going to change the font to something that I like, and I usually use this one here. There we go. So then we're going to move this to maybe the middle, and maybe I can make this a little bit bigger. So we're at 30 now. We'll do 42. Maybe I can go a little bit bigger, so 56. So there we go. I like that size. And then we're going to move this up. There we go. How to make free YouTube thumbnails. So what we're going to do now is I'm actually going to upload some different thumbnails to this. So I'm going to go into my, what I call here, and I'm going to upload this one. Now let's see if I have any other type of thumbnails on here. I don't know if I do. Yeah, we'll just do that. Okay, so we'll make two different ones here. So obviously I want this one, a little bit of thumbnail inception here. So I can put that right there. And then I can do this. And then I can put that one right here. And there you go. So then I want to add my logo to this, obviously. So where is my logo? Here it is. So we're going to make this small. And we put this right here. And there you go. So that is basically how you can make free stuff online. If you have any questions about Canva, I'd be more than happy to answer those questions for you. But all you got to do, like I said, is go to canva.com, play around with it, type in YouTube thumbnail. And with Canva, like the previous video I made, the how to make free graphics, all you got to do is pretty much type in anything you want, and Canva can do it. Canva is a very awesome free software. I'm going to preach to you that this is 100% completely free. Now, there is a lot of paid stuff on here that you can pay for. For example, if you go into the elements, there's some things in here that you can pay for if you want to put like a logo, or if you want to put, an image on here, if you want to put certain things that you have to pay for. But like I said, you can upload your images that you own and just make it your own and just build custom things for it. Now, after you're done, if you want to download it, all you got to do up here, click download. It's going to load up. And you just got to click this little download button, and it's going to download for you. So there you go. I'm going to push download. It's going to prepare your download, and it's basically going to put it in your download files. And that's really it, guys. That is how you can make free thumbnails in 2019. If you have any questions, like I said, all you got to do is leave a comment down below. And as always, guys, I want you guys to smack that like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell, because you guys can see some very awesome content on this channel, and videos be posted every single day, guys. My name is Mike once again, and I'll see you guys soon.